hello to you watching. So happy May. I am finishing out my 1 month one palette for the Urban Decay electric palette. Sad to say, didn't hit any new pan, but got some great use out of it. If you look at my Instagram, you can see that I made some really colorful looks. So, you know, there's some dips that have been deepened, but still no new pan. That's okay. It's a great palette. I really love using this palette. It definitely is very exciting. It gave me some fun looks, but we're going from something very colorful, very different, to something monochromatic, and it's my Naked Heat palette. And I'm wearing it on my lids today because it's May 1st, and so I'm starting with my 1 month one palette. And in case you don't recall what it looks like, it's just all shades of red, very warm tones. And I haven't given this palette the love it deserves. It's my only Naked palette in my collection right now, so my goal is to hit at least one pan. Ooh, gonna knock my water over. We'll see. I mean, I think I should be able to. I mean, usually I can hit pan in the cream shade. Maybe Low Blow or Sauce, the transition shades. Maybe I'll be able to get some nice dips in there. But it looks, I think I can count on one hand how many times I've used this palette. So hopefully I can come up with some real feelings about the Naked Heat palette, because I haven't given it the love it deserves. So yeah, just a quick end of electric palette. I forgot how much I love the shade Fringe, by the way. And I guess I want to say I've really loved wearing Fringe on my eyelid, and then I blended it out with Freak. So we did Fringe and Freak a lot. And Savage and Jilted, the pink with the purple looked really great. And I did Chaos, the blue, and some silver, and you know, it's just a fun palette. I'm so glad I have this. It's such a good palette. It's definitely feeling its age though. It's getting powdery. I'm really worried that I might have to focus on actually panning it, because I don't know how much longer I can hold on to it and it be okay to use. So anyway, thanks for watching. Really quick video. Talk to you later. Bye.